Hey there, I'm the maker of fantastic portfolios, and the objective of this video is to walk you through the entire process of creating a portfolio page for yourself using any of the PDF files that you have, right? Cool, so we'll get started. So before moving on to the actual demo, I'll quickly tell you what the product is and how you can leverage it to create portfolio websites. So as you can see, homepage says that you can create a portfolio website within 30 seconds. You just need to upload a PDF here. I'll just give you a demo for that as well. But some other perks that you get are like you get an AI assistant along with your portfolio page, which can communicate on your behalf with the visitors of your page, and you get this absolutely for free. Along with you get personal assistant, you get a custom URL that you can share with all of the users or all of the audience that you have. The entire process is literally takes anything under 30 seconds. 30 seconds also is very exaggerated. You can also track your success because we also show analytics etc on the dashboards, right? So that's what it is. We do have a couple of plans. A free plan which lets you do the basic stuff. You can create a portfolio page, you can share it with others, you can have your own page URL unique for yourself. So those things are in place, and then you get an AI assistant as well, even on the free plan, with some basic functionality, right? So that's it. There's no limitation on the amount of time you can reshare your portfolio or number of visitors who can land on a portfolio, etc. Right? You also get basic support if in case you face some issues on free plan, whereas on pro plan you have like few other benefits as well, where you get to do SEO optimization for your portfolio page, which is also very seamless. I'll let you see it via the dashboard. I'll walk you through that as well. Then you can have your AI can have unlimited conversations on your behalf. You can feed in data to AI, essentially anything apart from what is already there on your resume page. You can also feed in that, like for example, what is a pet name, or anything of that sort, right? And AI can answer that or talk to your portfolio page visitors basis on that. Then you get to see unlimited analytics of your portfolio, who is visiting, what is their geographical locations, and what time of the day, etc. Right? So you get a detailed analytics. Then you also get access to a lot of resume analysis and optimizations tool. So I'll give you a walkthrough of that as well. The tools that you can leverage, then you can create cover letters using our AI assistant, and then you get to remove site attribution, and then you can also attach a custom domain. For example, I have my portfolio running at aishatish.com, right? You can also do something similar, which opens your resume directly without any branding of like fantastic portfolios, right? So it's one-stop portfolio page for you. All of this you get for $3 a month if you bill it for yearly. If you bill it for on per month basis, you get it for $5 per month, which, I mean, given the amount of offerings, at least to me it looks like value for money. So users have been using it, they have their own testimonials, and then we have a lot of FAQs on the front page itself, on the home page itself, which help you understand what it is, what all capabilities platform offers. Awesome. So let's move on and see one of the demo page, how it looks. So I'll open my portfolio as well, right? So this is how it looks like. I'll zoom in a bit. So yeah, you have a navigation on top which keeps on scrolling as you scroll through the sections. You can directly jump on either of the sections as well. You can change theme of the page to dark theme and light theme as of now. We are working on adding more number of themes, more number of layouts, different layouts as well, right? So once you fill in all the details, or once you upload a resume, this is how it looks like. So you get a basic intro or hero section for your page. This resume download button automatically redirects you to the resume file that you would upload during the initial process. Then there are some of the sections which talk about brief experience about you, depending on the data that you submit in your portfolio, and then this is your entire timeline of your work experience, um, arranged in a chronological fashion, starting from latest to your last or the first experience, right? Then you can also showcase your projects in a great fashion. You can add some preview images, etc. You can add some links which redirect you directly on the site or your project website, right? You can also link GitHub, etc. GitHub, or for that matter anything else that you want to link here. Then this skill section shows a list of skills as a batch. You can obviously keep on adding more. You can remove a few according to you. So yeah, then a section detailing briefly your education information, then what all certifications you possess. If you have any publications, you can also add it to the list, and you can showcase it here, right? So that's on the core content of it. Now coming to the footer, you have a CTA where people can directly open an email client clicking on the button and talk to you, or they can land on your website. So that's there. This follow me button shows all your social media handles. Going back, you, as I was telling you, get an AI assistant which can talk on your behalf, so you can configure with your this in your internal dashboard. Alright, so let's quickly look at one of the demo of the entire onboarding experience. So as the page says that you need to upload a PDF file for you to be able to create, for us to be able to create a portfolio for you, right? So that's that. But before that, you need to log in. So I'll just log in with one of my Google accounts. So as soon as you log in, it will try to see if you already have a portfolio or not. If not, it will prompt you to upload a PDF. So I'll just take one of my resumes, upload it here. So yeah, since I have done that, my PDF file just got uploaded, but I need to choose a portfolio page URL where my entire portfolio resides. So I'll quickly check availability for this, right? So since it is there, I'll quickly go ahead and register it. So yeah, so we need to wait for a couple of seconds, or at least I think 30-40 seconds, because in the background it is processing your portfolio and creating a page for you. Alright, so this is how it looks like once the portfolio is created. You get a beautiful button to land on your portfolio page directly. I'll click on this. It takes me to the portfolio page just to see what all content has already been processed and available as part of the project. So yeah, you can see that apart from the photo, most of the content is already there. Your pic you can upload, because it's most readily not available as part of the portfolio. You'll have to upload it as part of your dashboard, like from your dashboard. So I'll come to that, but you have most of the content out here already in a structured way. Obviously you can update it, etc. But yeah, it has created a basic portfolio page for me. Now what I can do is I can go back, I can go to my dashboard. So yeah, here I have a dashboard. Let's say for now I'll use this icon as my portfolio image. I'll update it. So yeah, it got updated. It says you have unsaved changes because I uploaded the profile pic, but I did not submit it up. As I've marked my status as actively looking, I'll just not this. I'll go to my portfolio page. Obviously you can also access your sidebar from here, which has a lot of relevant links. So let's land to my portfolio page and see if my updates are reflecting or not. So I can see the image that I uploaded, the status that I selected, and few other information that I have updated. So that's how this update thing works. But you just giving a high level overview of the tabs. So you have profile tab, you have experience tab, where you can update all your work experience. You can add experiences, remove experiences. Similarly, you can add, remove your education and a few other basic related details. For projects as well, you can add these details, and you can upload some image or preview image, etc. for the projects. Similarly, for certifications, you can add some information. You can publish any publications. You can add any publications for that matter if you feel you need to showcase it to the world. Then you can add social links. You can say my platform is GitHub, Twitter, Facebook, whatever it is, and just keep on adding that. Then apparently, as I told, some SEO, you have a SEO and custom domain tab, but these are locked for pro users, so you will not be able to access it until unless you purchase a premium, right? But that is also very self-explanatory. You can access that once you have the subscription ready. You can always giving an overview of the sidebar, you can always start tour, which helps you with all the details that I have just told, like what tab means what, and um, how do you navigate through the entire website. You have certain other pages. So let's say if I go to account page, I can see all my subscription information. Right now I'm on free plan with this account, so it shows free. In worst case, if you don't want the portfolio page to be there live, right, you can go ahead and delete the portfolio as well, so no hard feelings there. Then you have an analytics page which shows you the entire analytics of your or the performance of your portfolio page, but right now it's not accessible for me because I'm on a free plan. Then coming to the AI chat, this is where things get interesting, right? So you need to configure a basic AI agent for yourself. I'll say basic or should this personal AI assistant, right? So knowledge to your AI so that it can give some additional information to the visitors, right? So for example, I am a really friendly guy, right? So let's say I do this, then ultimately my setup will be complete, and you'll start seeing an AI agent on my portfolio page. Yeah, see, it says AI assistant created successfully. It shows all the information that you have filled. It shows the knowledge that you have given to the assistant. You can obviously edit it, update it, delete it, whatever you want. Now let's go to the portfolio page. Yep, so you can see now you have your AI assistant ready, right? So it hardly took me a minute or so, right? So this is how you can configure things on the dashboard. Then you have a number of other tools here. I work in engineering, my role is team lead, and in the background what it will do, it will try to pull out your resume and the entire information that you have given, and it will try to match for that particular role and tell you how much compatibility you already have and how, I mean, your resume already has and what you need to update, right? So it will tell you some basic areas of improvement and a number of other tools, similar tools that you can use, right? But for all these you need to be a paid user. You can, in case you are facing any kind of issues, you can always come back, report bugs, or you can give us submit feedback if you are feeling like I need to give some casual feedback as well, right? So you have a form here, you can fill this for submit it, and you can select type of feedback you want, UX improvements, or you want performance to be improved, or anything for that matter. You can define priority, etc. Then you'll be able to see all the requests that you have submitted here on the page, and you can keep on refreshing. Somebody from our team or myself, I'll take action on your feedback and your reported issues, right, and fix it immediately. You will see a progress here.